Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create an heart-shaped pattern plot using Python. So we'll start this by importing the necessary libraries. So here NumPy is used to create numerical arrays and perform mathematical operation efficiently, whereas matplotlib, a powerful plotting library that allows visualization of data in various formats. So now we'll create the parameter t. So the variable t is an array of 500 evenly spaced values between 0 and 2π. This range is crucially because it allows the parametric equation to fully define the heart shape. More points would create a smoother curve, while fewer points would make it look more jagged. So now we'll define the heart shape equation. So these equations define x and y coordinates for the heart shape, where the explanation of x equation is where np.sin t generates a sine wave between -1 and 1, and cubing it amplifies the curvature and ensures the heart shape is symmetric. The factor 60 scales the shape horizontally, and the y equation, the primary component is 13 into np.cos t, which determines the general height and shape. The additional cosine terms refine the shape, adding the necessary dips and curves to resemble a heart. The coefficient adjusts the proportion of the labels and the bottom curve. So now we'll plot the heart. So for that we'll write. This creates a square figure of 6 into 6 inches to ensure the heart doesn't look distorted. So this plots the heart shape using the x and y coordinate, and the color is set to red to resemble a traditional heart. The line width is set to 8, making the heart bold and thick. So now we'll customize the display of the heart. So firstly we'll add the title. With font size 14. This ensures the aspect ratio remains 1:1, preventing distortion. This hides the axis, making the heart the only focus, and at last will display and show the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we can check this. Hence, we can see a heart-shaped pattern plot in Python. So thanks for watching this video.